everyone. My name is Siddharth Kumar. I am the student of BCA Batch 1 Sem 1. Today, I give a presentation on topic CSS. CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. It is mainly used for web page more attractive. We use the external CSS and background CSS for give a presentation. We present using external CSS. It is an external CSS link a code. It is my HTML code where we link in a head section link rel style sheet and href that link a css file. It is my css file. By using css file, in body section we use background image, background position, background size, background repeating and background color, and then we link it and then run. Then I run it. It is my output. Thank you.